Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in nextdoor.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Nextdoor, where you will be asked to log into your account either using your Google, your Facebook or your Apple account, and you can also use your email address and your password to log in. So simply enter your email address followed by your password. You can then click on the continue button, and now you will be asked to enter the code that has been sent to your email address. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Nextdoor. Within this email you will find your login code. So you can simply copy this code and paste it in the given box and then click on the login button, or you can directly click on the sign me in button. Once you do either of these, you will be logged in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account with Nextdoor. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.